All right, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to The Explainer. So if you're a student who's just starting out on your coding journey, wrestling with loops and variables, you've probably heard the name GitHub tossed around a lot. And hey, it might even seem a little intimidating right now. Totally normal. But today, we're going to demystify it completely. We are going to break down what is, literally, the largest, most complete development platform in the entire world. And I'm going to show you exactly why understanding this platform is your true launchpad to actually building incredible things. Okay, here's our quick roadmap for today. First, we'll take a big picture look at the world's development platform. 2, we'll explore branching, which is basically your alternate timeline. Third, recovering, building, and shipping safely. And finally, number 4, global projects built together.
All right, section 1, the world's development platform, scale and scope. Taking a telescope approach for just a second, let's look at the sheer scale of this thing. It goes way, way beyond individual coders. The source material calls it, and I quote, an enterprise transforming, startup launching, community-driven, super secure, open source championing, cloud-based platform. I know, okay, that is a massive mouthful. But the core takeaway here is just this. This isn't just some virtual flash drive where you store files. It is the literal foundation where the entire world builds software.
And you know what? This brilliantly illustrates why this matters so much to you right now. On one side, we have you, a student learning to code. On the other side, we have this modern reality where, honestly, every company is a software company these days. When you start learning on this platform, you aren't using some watered-down training wheels version. No way. You are stepping into the exact same cloud-based platform used to launch billion-dollar startups and transform global enterprises. You are instantly connecting your own individual journey right to the global industry standard.
Moving on to section 2, branching, your alternate timeline, the mechanics of collaboration. Okay, so we've looked through the telescope, now let's pull out the microscope. How do developers actually work together without, constantly stepping on each other's toes and creating total chaos? Well, senior software engineer Sanal uses this really helpful analogy to explain it. The branch. Think of a branch like a sci-fi alternate timeline. It's this parallel space where you and your team can build new features, squash pesky bugs, and just safely experiment, all without breaking the main project. You're working perfectly in parallel. So the really crucial point here is the workflow itself, which is actually pretty straightforward. Step 1, you create your own branch. Boom, your alternate timeline is ready. Step 2, you do your work. You're squashing bugs, you're experimenting, and you're safely isolated from everyone else. And then step 3, when you're totally ready and everything looks good, you merge your work right back into the main timeline. Instantly. Organizing code doesn't have to be a chaotic mess. Actually, scratch that. It really shouldn't be. This system seamlessly handles thousands of branches for over 1 million projects every single day.
But hey, it's not just about isolating your code. Right next to your code are all these built-in tools for project planning. You've got communication tools, task delegation, automated testing, so your code doesn't magically break when you aren't looking, and even AI-enhanced code editing. Because you have the whole shebang in one place, developers can move incredibly fast and keep all their ducks in a row.
Section 3, building and shipping safely, protection for your code. Now, as a student who's new to coding, your absolute biggest fear is probably making some rookie mistake that breaks everything, or worse, exposes something you really shouldn't have. But don't panic. Look at these advanced security nets built right into the platform. You get automatic vulnerability detection, you get secret scanning, which means if you accidentally leave a sensitive password in your code, the system actively flags it and guards against it. You absolutely do not need to be a cybersecurity expert on day one, because these advanced tools let you build and ship your software securely. Basically, the platform acts as your personal safety net.
And that brings us to section 4, global projects built together, from microscopes to telescopes.
All right, so when you combine these super safe, structured tools with millions of brilliant people, what actually happens out there in the real world? Like, what are the actual stories? Well, for starters, code goes to Mars. Yeah, literally. The exact same tools, the exact same platform, and the same branching structure you are learning to use right now for your homework, they were used to collaborate on code that was actually sent into space. How cool is that? And look at this massive number here, 21,000. That is the number of complete strangers who were able to securely work together on this platform. And what did they build together? Well, they collaborated to process the colossal amount of data needed to take the very first picture of a black hole. Let that sink in. 21,000 people working in alternate timelines, squashing bugs, and merging their work safely, just to make literal history. It's a place where disruptors are out there creating algorithms that completely revolutionize the music industry. It's where CEOs are building massive global businesses and fundamentally transforming their companies. It is, for sure, the ultimate equalizer. It's a place for anyone, from absolutely anywhere to build anything.
Which really brings us to a final question that I want to leave you with today. Think about it. You now have access to the exact same enterprise transforming tools, secure alternate timelines, and a global community as the pros. So, what will you build? Anything you think the world needs? The platform is sitting right there, waiting for you. Get out there and start coding.